What's up, people? It's your girl, Thickness 2791. And I'm like texting my ass off. And I'm watching a movie. And I'm obviously sitting in the dark. And I'm on Facebook. How's everybody doing? And one thing I have to get used to is I'm not doing like when I do on Facebook and I make somebody a video on their wall, not going I'm making you a video because like I have to get used to not doing that. But I hope everybody's doing good. I probably only have like 4 subscribers, so I'm basically like, making a video for no apparent reason, but somewhere out there, someone's watching me. I will be singing again soon. It's just that I'm really sick and it wouldn't sound right. And yeah, I like to put effort into it. And yeah. So I'm watching the Boondocks and I'm watching Whip It. And I'm probably gonna watch the Golden Girls later with my mom. Um, I just woke up from like an intense nap and I'm like, my head is like pounding. I don't know why. School today was boring, like it always is. And there's nothing else to say, really. Just hope everybody's having fun and doing well in their normal people lives. So, yeah. Oh, and it's my phone. Oh, and this is my favorite chair. My chair would say hi, but he's kind of being laid on right now. So bye-bye, guys. And I want at least 10 subscribers by the end of the week. I'd love it.